ha 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 ha. He is determined to regain his lost dignity and lose it again. No one should see this here, right? Better to lose face actively than passively. Looking for trouble, yeah. The devil in a past life, now waking up early for work. Sentinel Huming, as an important member of the Huming family, his name is dispensable. And these dog-eyed companions are his non-blood related direct relatives. They eat scorpions, often eating while staying up late. They told him, "Don't you ever come around, hey. Don't wanna see your face, you better disappear."